At Teldor, we design and manufacture cables for the communication industry and have been supplying the highest quality, meeting all known standards for over 40 years because we look at cables differently. Yes, just a little bit different. Take a look. This is a cable, a communication cable. Try and think beyond the boundaries of this cable. Well, what does beyond the boundaries really mean? And what are those boundaries? There are many. Can we go beyond them? Beyond standard requirements? What would happen if we needed to deploy a broadband data link cable in a very limited amount of time, for example? And what about a cable that could be placed in a car toll station, that could even endure the cravings of curious little rodents? And what if we wanted to link and communicate a high-velocity railway to a command and control room, for example? Should we lay a copper telephone cable or examine the specific needs of the system and use a more appropriate hybrid cable with optical fibers? If we use a cable for almost every scenario, then the question is whether the cable is merely a component or the all-around solution. If the cable is a solution that can be developed and custom-made at all times, then every project demands a specific, unique solution that will no longer be limited to the usual standard requirements, allowing your developmental aspirations to take off so that your project will no longer just be a vision, it will be realized. At Teldor, a cable is not just a cable, it is the solution, a precise and specific solution to meet all your requirements for every designing ambition. This is a developmental challenge which needs to handle specific objectives, and every project will be suited with a custom-made solution. It's not a machine standing behind every ambitious project, but a group of dedicated people, engineers and designers with a track record of over 40 years in the industry. This group of professionals develops and manufactures according to the latest international standards using unique specialized patents of the highest caliber, with an established track record in large-scale production for the security, civil, and biomedical industries in Israel and many countries around the globe. Teldor, the best solution.